Changing your high security cutter. From the main menu, select Setup, Utility, Replace Cutter, Yes. Take your red rod, insert it in the hole in the top of the machine, press down to lock onto the cutter, and make sure that the arrow is pointing to the 9 o'clock position. Take your 3mm T-wrench, insert that on the left side of your cutter guard, and give it a fast turn counterclockwise. Remove your cutter and select OK. There is no cutter installed. Select OK again. Take your new cutter, lock it onto your red rod, insert that through the hole in the top of your machine. Make sure you have metal on metal contact and your cutter head is resting on the silver dot. Tighten your T-wrench, remove your T-wrench, and remove your red rod. Select OK. And yes, anytime a new cutter is installed.